Hello children, welcome you all in my YouTube channel Anuradha Online Classes. Today I'll take class 7, chapter number 2, 2.1, question number 3. As we have done first and second question in our earlier videos, so let us come to this question number 3. Now read the question. In the magic square, the sum of numbers of each row. Sum of numbers means sum of this fraction of each row in each column and along the diagonals. In each column, rows, okay, in each row, in each column, and what along the diagonals means this one, right, and this one. So you have to see where is it equal, means diagonals में जितने fraction है सबका sum, इसके rows और इसके columns का sum क्या same है? If it is same, then that will be a magical square. Now let us find out this. Is it same or not? सबसे पहले हम आते हैं first row पे. First row. See in the first row, what is given in the first row? 4, 9 and 2. Okay, in first row, what we are having? 4 upon 11 plus 9 upon 11 plus 2 upon 11. So what you'll get, children, see it is a like fraction, so 11. Just add up all that, 4 plus 9 plus 2, that is equal to 9, 10, 11 and 11 and 4 is 15 upon 11. So what we get? 15 upon 11. अब हमें यहाँ पे भी 15 upon 11 मिलना चाहिए और यहाँ पे भी हमें 15 upon 11 मिलना चाहिए. Let us see second row. Second row. Okay. Now see second row is 3 upon 11 plus 5 upon 11 plus 7 upon 11. Right? Now what we will get? Here is 11. 3 plus 5 plus 7. 3 plus 5 plus 7, that is equal to 7 plus 3 is 10 and 10 plus 5 is 15. 15 upon 11. Here also we get the same answer. Now let us come to the third one. Okay, third row. In third row what is given? 8 upon 11. 8 upon 11 plus what? 1 upon 11 and 6. 1 upon 11 plus 6 upon 11. LCM is same, that is 11. 8 plus 1 plus 6. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 6 is 15 upon 11. So here what you can see is this one and this one. Means we got what? 15 upon 11 in all the three cases. In all the three rows the sum is what? 15 upon 11. Now let us see the column. So first column. First column is 4, 3 and 8. What? 4 upon 11 plus 3 upon 11 plus what? 8 upon 11. What we will get? See, it is 11. 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 plus 3 is 50. Right? Now let us come to the second one. This is what? Second column. This is 9 upon 11 plus 5 upon 11 plus 1 upon 11. So what will get? 11 LCM. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. So let us come to the third one column, that is first, second and third. This is what? 2 upon 11 plus 7 upon 11 plus 6 upon 11. So what you will get? 7, 8, 9, 10 and 15. 15 upon 11. So what you have seen in the columns also, we have seen we are getting the same fraction. The sum of all the three numbers is same. That only they have said. Sum of the numbers in each row, each column and along the diagonals. Diagonals is left, so let us take diagonals also. I'm just writing diagonal here. Diagonal. First is this one and this one. Diagonal आप add करेंगे. What? 4. First diagonal. 4 upon 11 plus 5 upon 11 and plus what? 6 upon 11. So children, 6 plus 4 is 10 and 5 is 15 upon 11. So this diagonal you got the answer 15 by 11. Now you have to take which one? This one. 1, 2 and 3. Okay. So let us write this also. This is second one. Upon 11, 2, then 5 and 8. 5 upon 11 plus 8 upon 11. 8, 9, 10 and 15. So what we'll get? 15 upon 11. So children, I think this is clear to you. See, in rows also we get 15 upon 11. Sum of rows. Sum of all the columns we are getting what? 15 upon 11. And diagonals, when we are doing diagonals is this one and this one, 2 diagonals. Diagonals also we can see the numbers, sum of numbers in the diagonals also it is what? 15 upon 11. So is this a magic square? Yes. This is a magical square. So here is our question number 3 is over.